Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein with eXp Realty and I am bringing you live to 2198 Heritage Drive here in Titusville. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Monica Townley. She is the listing agent on this property and she was kind enough to let us do some video so I can show you this home, a little bit of the area, neighborhood. Kind of cruising around here so you can see where we're located. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse, and it is 1837 square feet, and we are going to cruise right on in. The tile roof was replaced in 2018. Got some nice sliders here from two of the bedrooms, actually, the master and the one of the guest bedrooms. Got a little storage area right here for you. This area is completely screened in, as you can see. And you see that tile roof up there. We're gonna cruise right on in through the front door here. Cute little pathway over there, just a little bit of walk-in area. And as we walk in the front door here into the foyer area, we do have a closet, a little coat closet right there. This is a cabinet where your closet, actually, where your water heater and your AC are. Both looking pretty good there. Let's see, we've got a date on there, 2024. So we do have a sunken down living room area as you come in through the front door. Nice big wide open area though, so you've got plenty of ability to be cooking and talking to all your guests that would be hanging out here in your living room area. You have a nice fireplace. As you can see, that stone goes all the way up to the ceiling there, which is amazing. Take a look at our kitchen area here. Got our pantry. Nice looking refrigerator. Got some tile down in the kitchen. Nice big countertop there. Plenty of room over here for some bar stools to go. And just a little look here at all of your kitchen cabinetry. Love that coffee maker kind of built in right there. But you do have your dishwasher and your stove. Nice sink. And we're going to go back this way now and down this little hallway here. You have a stacked up washer dryer. And into your primary bedroom. And again, it's got a carpet in here. Nice slider to the outside and into your bath. You have double sinks, nice cabinets, lots of them. Nice big mirrored area for your toiletry area. You do have a pocket door and we do have a shower, no tub. And we do have a nice walk-in closet here, some shelving, and attic entrances up top there. And cruise back out, down the hallway, past our kitchen. We'll step down here into our sunken living room and nice sized bedroom here. Again, sliders to the outside, but as you can see, plenty of space. Nice big double closet, guest bath, and got your sink area, mirror, cabinets, and again a pocket door, which is kind of nice that you've got your toilet room. And this one does have the tub and shower combo. And into our third bedroom. Again, these bedrooms are all very, very nice sized bedrooms. Probably hard to tell in a video, but definitely plenty of space in here. You could actually put a king bed in each of these guest bedrooms if you wanted to. And back out into your living room. And then we've got this cute little spiral staircase here, folks, but you're gonna have to bear with me while we climb them. Nice look from up here of your living room, kitchen. As you can see, high ceilings with a couple skylights up here. And up into your loft area. This is a huge loft area. So, plenty of space up here for activities. Heck, if you get a pool table up here or something, it'd be a super nice area. Alrighty, and we are going to pause right from here while I give you a little recap. You can kind of be checking out the kitchen area in your living room while I'm doing so. Again, we are in a 3-2, 1837 square feet, built in 1988. Bonus loft has over 200 square feet of space. Nice split plan. Roof and skylights replaced in 2018. Water heater 2024. Again, big shout out to Monica Townley. Really appreciate you letting us do this video and take a nice little tour of the house. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Monica or you can reach out to myself, Margaret Klein, signing off here at 2198 Heritage Drive in Titusville. And if you'd like a private showing, just make a call. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.